Hey friends, welcome to my channel Explore the World Dilse. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Africa and please watch the full video. This place definitely amazes you. So let's start. The African continent is one of the world's most mesmerizing destinations. There are so many diverse adventures to be had on this amazing continent, home to more than 50 different countries that it's hard to narrow them down for a best place list. But we have tried here. Whether you are looking to explore vibrant cities like Cape Town, Cairo, and Marrakesh, or hoping to see the continent's wildlife on a safari in Kenya, South Africa, and Tanzania, there is no shortage of things to do for travelers of all types. The African continent is also home to some stunning natural attractions like Victoria Falls, which straddles the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia and is often described as one of the seven natural wonders of the world. And you'll find soaring mountain peaks like Tanzania's Mount Kilimanjaro, which at more than 19,000 feet is Africa's highest mountain. And then there are the beaches with thousands of miles of coastline. You will find warm turquoise red waters and white sand beaches on mystical islands like Zanzibar off the coast of Tanzania and Bazaruto archipelago off the coast of Mozambique on Africa's eastern coastline. Wherever you wander in Africa, we promise you will leave with a new appreciation for the magic of this culturally rich, vibrantly colored, and welcoming continent that will have you wanting to return our list of the best place to visit in Africa. Watch the sunrise over the dunes in Sosvili, Namibia. Located in southwest Africa, Namibia is a one of a kind destination that is often overlooked when planning trips to the continent. It shouldn't be. The country is chock full of adventures and landscape you wouldn't find anywhere else on the continent, including the Namib Desert and Sossusvlei, a part of Namib Nokluft National Park. Sossusvlei is giant flat salt and pan surrounded by a sea of red and orange sand that has been sculpted into the otherworldly landscape of towering dunes and desolate valleys sprinkled with petrified dead trees. It is especially spectacular at first light when the rising sun brings the dunes into focus and makes them glow. Other major attractions in Namibia includes the Skeleton Coast, named for the skeleton of wrecked ships that crash along the misty Atlantic coastline here. Etosha National Park, one of Africa's best game reserves. Kruger National Park, South Africa. South Africa's Kruger National Park is one of the Africa's oldest conservation areas and the top of safaris destination on the continent. The vast park, which actually extends into Mozambique to the east, is home to South Africa's most diverse wildlife population. It is also surrounded by private reserves like Sabi Sands Game Reserve that animals can cross into and out of at will for an even more upscale safari experience. Kruger is also a safari destination within reach for many different budgets as a national park. Visitors can actually explore Kruger on self-drive safaris and then camp or stay in national park lodges. However, we recommend joining an organized game drive for the best short of seeing the most animals, as you will be in an open vehicle and with guides who know where to look for the big five. Summit Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania with an elevation of 19,341 feet. Tanzania's Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's highest mountain and also holds the world record for the highest single freestanding mountain rising from the plains of Serengeti. It is a dormant volcano and creates a stunning backdrop for wildlife safaris in the region. Most people visit Kili to climb to its summit. It is especially popular because the trek involves no rock climbing expertise or mountaineering equipment. You also wouldn't face the extreme weather challenges of climbing other continents' highest peaks like Mount Everest. You will need to be in good shape and adjusted to the altitude. The trek to the top takes a minimum of 6 days, and you will need to go on a guided excursion. Experience Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe and Zambia. Aerial view of Victoria Falls. Visit Victoria Falls during the rainy season when the water volume is high, and you'll understand why locals call the impressive waterfall the smoke that thunders. The sound of water rushing over rock before dropping into a pool some 300 plus feet below sounds like the roll of thunder, and the mist that spews back up resembles thick smoke. It is an impressive sight, protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Victoria Falls is on the mighty Zambezi River and creates the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia. The waterfall is not only impressive for its dramatic drop but also for its length, which creates a 1.7 kilometer long circuit of water as it drops. For the best views of the falls in full, you will want to explore the Zimbabwe side, where you can follow a walking trail to various viewpoints. On the Zambia side, you can get very close to the falls themselves, and if you are brave enough, even take a dip in Devil's Pool, which literally sits at the top of the falls before they tumble down. Both sides have lodging options as well as restaurants. Witness the pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Watching the sun rise or set over the pyramids of Giza in Egypt from the back of a camel is an experience you will never forget. The pyramids and the Great Sphinx date back to the 26th century BCE and are Egypt's most iconic attraction. The Pyramid of Giza are easy to access from Egypt capital and largest city, Cairo, which is equally fascinating to visit. Set on the banks on the Nile River, Cairo is a chaotic and busy place that appears to never slow down even in the dead of night. Here, ancient history meets a modern metropolis, and there is much to see and do. With a visit to the Egyptian Museum at the top of most list. Book one of the higher floor rooms at the Fairmont Nile City for sweeping views of the river and pyramids of Giza in the distance. The Lux Hotel also has a rooftop swimming pool and restaurant with more mesmerizing vistas and a spa for post-flight pampering. If you like to see the best places to visit in Egypt, you can check out my previous videos, that is the best places to visit in Egypt. Though sailing of Zanzibar. A visit to Zanzibar feels like stepping into another world, one where time stands still and the only city stone town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The island in the Indian Ocean just off the coast of Tanzania is a place where Arab doors, that is fishing boats, still ply the picture perfect turquoise sea, and you can get lost in the beauty of Stone Town, wandering its narrow alleys past old mosques, vibrant bazaars, and streets with intricately carved doorways away from the hustle of the city. The rest of the island is filled with gorgeous beaches where days are spent lazing on white sand, snorkeling, and diving in the colorful coral reefs surrounding the island. These are still teeming with life and home to more than 500 marine species. Nungri, at the northern tip of the island, is a favorite beach destination. There are a number of hotels and guest houses here, including the Z Hotel Zanzibar. The chic beachfront boutique hotel is a set in a beautiful tropical garden, and all rooms come with floor to ceiling glass doors opening onto sea facing balconies. The beds are wrapped in mosquito nets and have a romantic vibe.
If you like this video, then don't forget to share this video to your family and friends.
Cape Town. Explore Cape Town, South Africa, one of the most beloved destinations on the continent. Cape Town sits at the southern tip of South Africa, near where the Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean meet, the Cape of Good Hope. It is culturally rich and visually stunning city that is very easy to fall in love with on a first visit. Table Mountain rises from the center of the city, while the striking 12 Apostle rock formations beyond provide the backdrop for gorgeous white sand beaches like Clifton and Camps Bay along its Atlantic Ocean coastline. There is so much to see and do in Cape Town. There are active adventures like hiking to the top of Lions Head to watch the sunrise, and important historic explorations like taking a somber trip to Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was a political prisoner for 27 years before the apartheid regime fell. The city is also home to a plethora of museums, galleries, local boutiques, and world class restaurants and hotels. You'll want to spend some time exploring the Victoria and Alfred waterfront as well as the downtown around Long Street and Green Market Square. Slightly further afield, you can see African wild penguins at Boulders Beach or learn to surf in the beach town suburb in Muizenberg.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, comment, share to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.